Woohoo! Okay, we're back to Zork Grand Inquisitor Part 3. So we're gonna figure out where the hell to go. So maybe in here? Let's try put that in there. Looks like we need a ticket or something. Okay, not that then. Right, what have we got that would work? Nothing. Right, so if we take that, put that here.
It's a map.
Oh! Oh! Okay, don't click on it before it's ready.
It's a map.
Okay. Well, that's not very helpful. Spells. Okay.
Red Rob.
Okay. Did that work? No. Okay. Okay, let's go back and back. And did we go down there? Did we go this way? Yes. What's down here?
This place looks sort of familiar.
Oh god.
The rank undergrowth prevents eastward movement.
Oh, this screams a spell. Let's have a look. Turn purple things invisible. Oh, I'm in the way. Separate something from different magics. Okay.
Boxum.
Let's try Voxum. No. But it said about purple things, right? Well, there's a purple thing here. So let's try Igram. Oh.
Yegram.
Igram.
Hey, there's a spell in one of the blossoms.
No. Okay. Okay. So we can't get the spell. Let's go back in here. Because we didn't really get anything in here. You plummeted down a bottomless pit and plummeted and plummeted. As the years pass, you meet, mingle, and marry a similarly indisposed adventurer, have 3 children, and eventually die of old age. You have died. Okay, so we need to now do some traveling, which is it this way? Yes. Well, I need the map in my hand. Deep breaths, everybody. Okay. Put that there. Go like this. Go through the window. Okay. So then, let's try. What was it? 3. Let's see. This is why I write this down. 3, 8, 9, 6, 7. 3, 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay. I'm just gonna get a hammer on it, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what does it say? Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Oh, hold on. That work? I don't know what just happened.
Just where were you keeping that?
Suck out all the snacks!
Permasuck from Philbos Electric. We don't make things that suck. We make things that suck permanently.
What did that do? What did that do?
It's not called the temporary suck, is it? No, it's staying right here.
But why? Oh, from a vacuum sealed candy machine. Vacuum sealed candy. Okay, so can I take this off then? Oh, okay. Push the button. No, no, open. Okay. But nothing's there. Nothing's there. Okay. So that... There is nothing. Okay. My code didn't work. So that was the other side. Let's just check there's nothing else. Please don't throck the grass. Throck, is that a spell? Not that I have. But then, you know. So this is all safe. This is safe. There's nothing here. Okay. Oh, this is hard. I should be able to get that. How do we get the flowers to open? So it drops it. How can I get it to open? We've done that.
Red
We
Rock.
can try it. Okay. Okay, dragon. Let's go back upstairs and see if there's something going on out there. Fancy pants. Right. What's that say? Number 38967, underground. Oh, this is because we went down the well. Yeah, okay. Well,
That appears to be your average everyday subway token. Naturally, it's lying in a bucket at the bottom of a well.
yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, we can use this. So let's put that there. If only I'd seen that at the beginning. Then that would have been a hell of a lot easier. Take me down, dragon. Okay, so I think not here. There. For the token, let's put it in here.
A token, a slot. But how to put it all together without my insert token into slot spell? I was just about to suggest that.
Could have suggested it before.
The underground. It's a subway. It's a political movement. It's a subway and a political movement. Sounds like it's still operational, too.
Yes. Okay, let's check it out. Take the underground, feel the heat, and win big. Play Old Scratch. 500 or Eternal Damnation. You choose your path. The Zork Lottery. Brave souls wanted. How about no?
Okay, now you want to take the red line east to the yellow line, then switch off to the... I have no idea.
I have no idea. Let's do the furthest one away. First, locate your desired destination using your route map. What?
There seems to be some sort of problem here. I don't think
Okay.
this is doing anything.
Okay, fine. Just checking. Right, platform. Nothing's happening. Can't go this... Oh, yeah, we done that. So we can't go this way. We can go this way, but there's nothing to see. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go up here. We can figure this out. We can figure this out. Wait.
Ah! Onward then! Into the foliage!
Yes. Now this is my type
That's my
of
house.
place.
And this is my garden. I'm home! I'm home! I'm home!
Well, your house. Eggplant.
That's an eggplant. Get it? Eggplant? No? All right.
I get it. I like it. Right. Bees.
Ah, well bees. They'd sooner saw their wings off than let anyone get at their honey. Very delicate olfactory senses. Though I doubt that's helpful to you in any way.
Someone's in the house. Okay. Cigarettes.
Hey, baby. This is the Dungeon Master's home security system. You ain't getting in here, so don't even try.
I have a great home security system, but he's got some bad habits. Harry! It's me! Come on, Harry, let me in.
Oh, yeah? Well, you got any ID? Me?
Do I look like I got any ID?
You look like a lamp. I don't care if you're the Dungeon Master himself. You're still not getting in here.
Now, what kind of self-respecting alarm system would let you do that?
Sorry, baby. Can't come in here.
Okay. Threats, maybe?
Sorry. House rules. No exceptions.
Maybe we use the fire on the bees? Or the sword to cut down the bees? Oh, I didn't die. Just under half a second, that's how long it takes for a thick black swarm of quell bees to storm out of the hive and over your sword. After a brief, futile, and very painful struggle, your sword falls out of your lifeless hand and clatters to the ground. With bee-like solidarity, the quell bees return to their... Okay. Yes, I died again. So, now we're going to try and not be killed by the bees. Oh, that worked. The alarm system likes a cigar. Interesting.
Ah, nothing like a good stogie. Sorry. House rules. No exceptions.
You can't
I
even
don't care if you're the Dungeon Master himself. You're
can't
still
see
not getting in
me.
here.
Okay, what else do we have? Soup?
Mead light! What kind of a drink is that? It'd take at least twice what you've got there to do
Soup.
anything. Not that the wizards of this universe use or condone the use of alcohol or any mind-altering substance in any way, shape, or form.
Okay.
I don't care if you're the Dungeon Master.
Oh, what am I supposed to do with that? Okay. Okay, so we've done that.
I don't care if you're the Dungeon Master himself. You're still not getting in.
Okay. What if we get...
It's a snapdragon. This thing needs to take a chill pill.
Okay. And go to his house. What is that?
My gardening tools.
God.
Scroll, shovel, shovel, scroll.
Throck! We know where to do that! Oh, shovel. Yay! Yes! We have things that we need. Okay. So. Here. I'm sure it said don't throck the grass. I'm totally going to do that.
Rock.
Ready? Though seemingly harmless, you quickly discover why throcking the grass is expressly forbidden. The grass bursts forth from the ground with an unquenchable blood lust. The tentacle-like blades wrap themselves around your extremities, lifting you in the air and snapping you like a piñata. You have died. So I just get what I need, and then I die. Okay, let's do this. We know exactly where we need to go. Wait, the hoover's still attached, so that's perfect. Let's get out of here. Yeah. So let's leave. And into his house, open this. And we're not going to throck the grass. We will be good and abide by the rules. Where's the fun in that, hey? Whoops. Right, shovel. Okay, we know where to use the shovel. That. I wonder if. Do you think that would kill me if I use the throck on this guy? I really want to though. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Rock.
Oh, I kind of wanted him to turn giant. Let's go in here. Just whilst we're here.
Rock.
What does it say? Cause vegetation to grow.
I don't care if you're the.
Oh.
I don't care if you're the dungeon.
Okay. So, maybe it would make the eggs big? That would be cool.
Rock.
That's an eggplant. Do you get it? Eggplant?
Okay. So then we need to go to the travelling place, which is not there. Here? Yes. Map. Here, go. Geo, because there was that piece of ground and floor that clearly needed a shovel. So, there it is! Okay, let's go. You, and you, and you, and you. Please don't be a body. Dig, dig. Okay, what's this? Oh, another spell. Simplify instructions. That'd be useful. On so many levels. Okay, so I reckon we could use that in the kind of the train station bit. So let's go there. Okay, train station. Where are you? There. That's where it was, right? Yeah. Down the escalator, down the escalator. Okay. Okay.
Okay, now you want to take the red line east to the yellow line, then switch off to the, I have no idea.
Kindle.
You.
That's more like it. Now, unless I'm mistaken, all you have to do is pick the place you want to go to, wait at the edge of the platform, and assume crash position.
Where do we want to go? Hades? First locate... Where are we? So we're Crossroads? Flood Control Dam 3. Well... Okay. Let's try here.
I guess I should warn you. The thing about the underground is that there were a few cutbacks and then a few more. And then, well, they just never got around to installing the brakes.
It just grabbed us, didn't it? Oh, it's flashy. Meanwhile, back at the Inquisition...
Totemization? Good. Now, if you just be a lamb and sign this confession, it's a formality, really. You willingly agree to be eternally bound and totemized and so forth, blah, blah, blah. You violated the laws and or pointed suggestions of the Inquisition, etc., etc., etc.
No problem. Of course. Oh, look, wait, there's a mistake here on line 17C.
Be a lamb, just sign on the line.
No, really, look, here, where it's supposed to say stand in line for 3 hours and then get totemized, it says pop the inspector one. Sorry. Oh.
I'll sign for you. Pink copy's yours. Have a nice day.
Oh no, he's going to get totemized. if you had travel sickness, that is
Ah,
not.
I'm remembering why I've always preferred teleporting. This is the stop for the famed flood control dam number 3. I believe it was quite the tourist attraction in times far distant.
Ooh, let's go over here.
There it is. One of the crowning achievements on Lord
Wanna press
Dimwit's
it?
Flathead.
Flood control dam 3. Backup panel for control dam in case of flood. Oh, you can't have them all working? Oh, there's definitely a combination that closes them all.
Don't look at me. It's my first time here.
We'll come back to it. Oh, cool. Create a bridge over a body of water. That's handy. Right, Flood Control 3, the not remotely boring tale. Buckle up. Was constructed in year 783 of the Great Underground Empire to harness the mighty Frigid River. This work was supported by a grant of 37 million Zorkmids from... Oh, that's ZM Zorkmids from your opponent, local tyrant Lord Dimwit, Flathead the Excessive. The impressive structure is composed of 370,000 cubic feet of concrete, is 256 feet tall at the centre and 193 feet wide at the top. The lake created behind the dam has a volume of 1.7 billion cubic feet, an area of 12 million square feet, a shoreline of 35,000 feet. Okay. Well, oh no. Though only 4 of the 1,400 sluice doors proposed by his lordly, so I can't read today, excessiveness were ever eventually constructed, these 4 doors seem to adequately regulate water pressure in the dam, with the exception of one historical occasion with a lesser dam engineer having troubles at home, fell asleep at the control panel and allowed all 4 sluices to close at once. Tell me how that's supposed to be said. The dam burst, the Frigid River flooded, and all power to the neighbourhood town of Fusel was cut off for 11 weeks. Since the underground shares one predominant irrigation system, students as far as the eastern campus, Gutek, were flooded for an entire semester, causing the course in Magic Potions 101 to become Magic Kayaking 101. I love to do Magic Kayaking, and subsequently rendering a term's worth of cheat notes utterly useless. That's it? Okay. Well, do we want to flood it? Probably. But, you know, we have to figure out how to do that, so we're not going to do that now. Oh, there's a sign there. Not you. There. Souvenir Zorkmids. Press 1 Zorkmed into souvenir FCD number 3 letter opener. This. Put it in here. I have to try and get some money in this place. Okay, should we go to Hades? Let's go check it out. Get hit, like grabbed by this strange method of transport.
Whew! That really clears the sinuses.
Oh, this place does not look nice. I mean, what is this? Okay. Oh.
Hey, Slim, what you reading? How to hypnotize yourself. Guess it worked.
Method. Step, step, step. How awful. Voyage of Captain Zehab. Drop of water and not a bit of flood in the hold. A fortnight longer and my mind grew infirm, like a mirage in the desert. I began to see islands where there were none, and where I saw only a horizon, not a moment before hills grew up out of the water, right before my eyes. At first I thought it must have been all the rye I drank. I sent out a dinghy. Not an hour later a roar rocked our craft, followed by a terrific crashing noise, like a great granola mine. A great granola mine had just collapsed. We found the remains of the dinghy on a floating island along with one survivor. He had gone mad, raving incoherently about plugging the nostrils of some serpent beast. His last tearful words I record here so that I might share them with his loved ones. Oh my god, I can't read. We tried to pull the coconut from his mouth, but he knew, and woe, for his wrath was mighty. Was that it? That better have some relevance. Okay. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh.
Watch out. Old Scratch plays for high stakes. 500 Zorkmids against eternal damnation. What I'm trying to say is maybe you ought to save.
Yeah, but we're not going to do that right now. But he's not wrong. I am going to save. Enter. Because I'm a coward. Right, anything else on you, Slim? No.
Can you hear it? Thousands of voices lamenting some hideous fate. Or maybe it's just me.
Oh, telephone.
It's a direct line to the commissioner.
Thank you for calling the Hades Shuttle Service courtesy phone. Since the dawn of time, your choice for crossing over into the afterlife.
I don't want to
skip
die.
a message at any time, press 4. This service has recently undergone a retrofitting to ensure full ease of abuse, customer dissatisfaction, and user unfriendliness while inefficiently bringing you, the recently deceased, to your final destination. Before crossing, you'll need to answer a few simple questions using the touch-tone pad.
Oh, no.
Press 1 for the list of questions. To press 3, please press 7. To hear these options again, I did not hear your entry. Please re-enter your I did not hear your entry. Please re-enter your selection now. Press 1 for the list of questions. I did not hear your entry.
1.
Please re-enter your I did not hear your entry. I did not hear your entry. Please re-enter your selection now. Press 1 for the list of questions. To press 3, please press 7. To hear these options again, call back and listen to them again. To press 4, hit the pound key. To return to the main menu, you're already there. Press 8 to press 1. Are you currently living?
Yes.
We're sorry, but use of the Hades shuttle service by pre-mortem individuals is strictly prohibited. Please call back when you are extremely dead.
Oh, no, wait.
Press 1. Are you currently living?
So it's
Did
2,
your period of demise occur?
8,
Did the people of Thrift
9.
What was the famous response from Dinkelmar the Curt when asked to describe his unfortunate stay in the belly of a malodorous
If you want to press
sermon?
7, press 5. I've written down here, so 5.
You have correctly answered all the questions.
Oh.
Congratulations! A shuttle will be along shortly to transport you to Hades,
That
where
was
you
really
will
annoying.
languidly spend the rest of eternity. Have
What?
a hell of a day.
Maybe we shouldn't have done that. Oh, no, wait, it's cool.
Charon, the oarsman of the river Styx. Whew-hoo. I don't know how he manages to generate a stink, but he most certainly does.
Oh, wait, I'll give him this. Flat rate, 2 Zorkmids. I don't have any. Okay, so he's not going to take my lottery ticket. Okay. like his boat. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Okay, so we'll have to come back here when we have some more money. Oh, there's a traveling thing. What else can we do? What else do we have? Should we go this way? Yeah, let's go. Okay, we can travel somewhere else. So, monastery. I hope it's like cheerier than this place. Yeah, you get. What's that? Okay.
This place doesn't look safe.
Doesn't it? Traveling thing.
Well, that's just great. How are we going to get up there?
I have no idea. Okay. Well, let's just go back to Crossroads, I guess. Oh, oops. Do I have to do that again? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Wish I could look around a cart. Okay. So we're back here. Okay. They're gonna make me do the lottery ticket, right? Oh. Right, so what was down there? That was where we've just come from. Then we have that. We still can't open this, can we? No. And there's nothing else that will work on it. Spells. Bridge over water. Oh, sorry.
Oh, madam.
Vegetation to grow. Let's try that. Oh, I thought that would work. Instructions, open doors. Okay. No. Right, let's go back to his house. There's nothing else in there. You've got to be something. I'm going to try that again. I'm sorry. Oh. Right. That did work. Oh.
I don't think you would have wanted that to work anyway.
I did want that to work. Should we try the eggplant again? Rock.
That's an eggplant. Do you get it? Eggplant?
No. And we had to listen to the joke again. Awful. Right. How do we get out of here? Okay. Ah! Okay. What about... Okay. Right. I think the next thing to do, which I'm going to do on the next video, is do the lottery ticket, which I will probably die doing. But I will try not to, so we can get some of those, well, the magical currency, Zork mids or whatever. So, like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you next time. Bye!